So back to filming my TikTok at the same time, which I'll post at the end of this video so you guys will know. Timer.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world.
Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Okay, so I actually filmed an intro before I started doing all this, but guess what your girl did? I forgot to attach my mic, so I'm worried you guys may not be able to hear, so I just started again. So I'm actually filming a video for TikTok, but I decided, why not do both? You feel me? So let me get back to this TikTok. I can't hear.
Let's get it. Make your brows.
I'm gonna post it at the end.
So we have no time. Let's get it. Make your brows. And we procrastinate. So we have no procrastinate. So we have no time. Let's get it.
And we procrastinate, so we have no time. Let's get it. But I think. And we procrastinate, so we have no time. Let's get it.
Somebody once told me, if you're
okay. So yeah, she's done with that. Well, that part. Filming a TikTok is such like an extensive process. Oh, FYI, this is my first time trying this Beauty Bakery Instabake. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. We're gonna see. The color doesn't look too bad. You always hear YouTubers say too bad when it's not perfect. That means, oh, it's not too bad. But don't do your brows like me. Everyone should be different. No two brows are the same, and no two people's faces are the same. FYI, I'm letting my brows back in. That's why they look so ungroomed. They were like really, really thin. And I'm just trying to fix that. So I've been just like leaving them alone and let them grow into their natural state. Side note, my niece asked me to film. I have a niece who is 11. She asked me to film a tutorial about how I put my eyelashes on. And I'm like, girl, why? So I can look a fool on the internet? Because it takes me at least 20 tries to get my damn eyelashes on. Wait, shout out to Beats by Deb, who told me, like, I was like 3 months less years old, so still 30 years old when I learned about dual eyelash glue. Wait, more than that, when I learned to apply the glue to my eyelid instead of the band. Talk about change your life. You changed my life, Beats by Deb. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Yeah. So that's really
instead of
lettuce.
Your brows
look powerful, saying, I eat money for breakfast in my salad instead of lettuce. I don't think that was good. We're going to see.
Somebody once told me, if you're ever going gambling, make sure that you
back to this.
Like you. Somebody once
that was actually pretty good, so we're going to rock with that. Oh, but what's next? I need to know what's next so I can know when to start again.
If you're gambling, make sure that...
Okay, so then I just take my spoolie and I'm gonna just brush this in because I don't like the too harsh lines. So I'm gonna just distribute it. I'm not gonna actually put any product right there at the front. I'm just gonna kind of like brush it in. Kind of give me that ombre effect. If you know what I mean. Ooh, ooh, this eye. Ooh, this eye. Can I do this in my left hand? No, indeed, because I know I'm doing my arm. And then I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio Foundation ink to just define my eyebrows some more. I use like 3 different concealers. How many do you use? Let me know in the comments below. That rhymed. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below. Hey, let me know.
No, I did not know. What's this nigga?
This is the new one that I said. It's the Beauty Bakery, the black-owned brand. I bought the makeup.
It's good too.
They're like, yeah, I think it's a good mess too. You see, black-owned brands be knowing. Black-owned brands be knowing.
Yeah,
No, then you just say your show is about family makeup and stuff. So
Yeah, I'm gonna put your shit. I put her in my other video. You saw her loud ass talking.
Oh, that's what we said. Who was that loud lady?
Yeah, that was her. You couldn't recognize her voice. It's 1 ounce, which is the standard. So back to filming my TikTok at the same time, which I'll post at the end of this video, so you guys will know. Timer.
Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast? We gonna use this for eyes, cause it. Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast? We gonna use this for. Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast? We gonna use. Dude, who eats lettuce? Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast? We gonna use this. Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast? Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast? Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast?
Am I too bright?
Dude, who eats lettuce for
up there?
breakfast? Dude, who eats lettuce for
Huh?
breakfast? We gonna.
It looks bright on here, but
lettuce for breakfast. We gonna.
damn,
Dude, who eats?
I can't get this
Dude,
right.
who eats lettuce? Dude, who eats?
Y'all don't make these
Dude, who
kind of
eats lettuce
TikToks,
for
huh?
breakfast? Dude, who eats? Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast?
So as I was saying, I am going to get into my favorite eyeshadow palette, the Magic by Juvia's Place. I love this thing more than life. And whenever I don't know what I'm going to do, I always just grab this one. So that's what we're doing. Oh, first, I do want to bake a little bit. I did already put some powder underneath there with my brush, but I do like to have some underneath there when I'm doing my eyeshadow, just in case it doesn't crawl out. Especially since I like to use very colorful eyeshadows. I just want them to be easier to remove. So we're gonna try this. I'm going into Zakaya, which is this shade here. Is it focusing? Yeah, this shade here. I'm going into Zakaya for the crease. That's lighter than I thought it would be. We're going to just pack it on, and then we'll get back to it. We're packing with this shading brush. I don't know how she's doing it, but she's doing it. She's cute. She can do it. You want to pack it in until you get the desired color, and then, but this ain't going to work. I think I need something darker. But I did say I would keep it light. Okay, let's keep it light, Brittany. Keep it light. Do what you said you were going to do. Zakaya is just lighter than I thought she would be. Okay, Zakaya, I guess you'll do. Okay, can you be the same color dirty? How many of y'all do that? Don't play. Don't fake. Come on. I know some of y'all do the cleanest color dirty is me. Like, you're not dirty, but, I mean, you're not clean, but you're not too dirty. Don't play with me. I know y'all do it. Don't judge and don't play. Don't pretend like y'all ain't those type of people. I'm just blending out the edges with Nana, which is like a light brown. I don't know if it's like the true colors coming across on camera, but I'm just taking that and blending her out. So I don't want to make this look too much. Like I said, I'm trying to just be simple and quick and cute. Now I'm going to get back to this TikTok. Can you let me be great? Can all of my accessories and phones and cameras stop cutting off on me and just let me live my best life? Dang, y'all ain't never seen nobody try to be cute. We're going to use this for eyes because it reminds me of money. Okay. We're going to use this too early. You see how I started too early? You don't care. We're going to use this for eyes because it reminds me of money. Okay. That's good enough. I forgot to blend my contour. Y'all, don't forget to blend your contour and have it just sitting there on the top of your forehead.
Somebody once told me, if you're ever going gambling, make sure that you semi-look like you want to win some money. Look like the amount of money you want to win. Right now, I look homeless. Let us change that, shall we? And we procrastinate, so we have no time. Let's get it. Make your brows look powerful, saying, I eat money for breakfast in my salad instead of let it. Dude, who eats lettuce? Gold in the corner, cause we gon' win some. Gold in the corner, cause we gon' win some. Gold in the corner, cause we gon' win some. Gold in the corner, cause we gon' win some. Gold in the corner, cause we gon' win some. Gold in the corner, cause we gon' win some.
Gold in the corner, cause we gonna win some. I am using the Fenty Beauty Loose Metallic in the shade, I can't read, Ice Cream. We all scream for ice cream. So yeah, I'm using her Loose Metallic Shimmer Pigment Thingamajigger for my lids. Wait, but how funny is this chick whose TikTok I'm recreating? Like, she's hella funny. Well, I don't know if I could say that. She's very funny. Where do I find the little bleeping sound so I can bleep myself out? If you know, leave a comment below. She messed up. It's okay. She messed up. She's not perfect. You know, I'm gonna try to cover that up with a little bit more of this orange coppery color I have going on. Where is my brown brush that I was using to just buff out those edges? Get a little bit in here. You want to get it. Ooh, get it. And then we're going to do some green for shmoney because we're going to win some. Y'all, I'm really crying myself up. This is so tedious.
And obviously a touch of green. Faux money. Covering and obviously a touch of green.
And obviously a touch of green. Faux money. Okay, that's going to have to be it. Because it's getting too frustrated.
If you're ever going gambling,
okay. So clearly this green faux money is not doing anything for me. So I'm going to go in with pink. Because she lives for a good pink. A cute little bright pink. Like, who puts green in their inner corner? I only did it because that's the part of the video she was in. And I had to put green somewhere. Even though it doesn't go with my look at all. But this green for shmoney got to get covered up with a little Usan pink from the Juvia's Place I Am Magic palette. Because I'm not a green faux shmoney type of chick. That's better. And if you ever have any lines of demarcation, just go back over it with whatever you applied your foundation with. And you'll be good. And then just pat it in, you know. Ooh, she's looking cute. She's getting there. She loves it. How about you? I'm looking at myself over there. Can you tell? Do y'all see this failure? It's not that it's a failure. I just can't get it as thick. And you know how those girls who are so perfect, they have their wing and like when they close it makes a whole different shape. Like, I just want to get on that level. Like, why when I close my eye, my wing don't make another shape? Why can't I do that? Why can't I be that great? Part out, I really suck at eyeliner. I wish they could skip it and magically appear. I wish, whoa, this should be the Snapchat filter where it puts the eyelashes on and everything for you. You know what I'm talking about? Mm-hmm. Ooh, get it. Ooh, this, ooh, get it. Okay. Ooh, honey child. I'm looking a little bright in the area. She gonna have to fix it. Fix it, says the Lord. Fix it. Okay. Fix it now. Don't wait. Fix it now. It's gonna stay because it's Urban Decay. Can y'all be quiet? I can feel that. Don't do my camera, Astrid. How am I looking, baby?
You might want to do it with your kids. Give you a little bit more personality.
Oh, I need my kids for personality?
Come on, Lola. Come on.
She can stay. I told my baby she can stay as long as she's quiet. Bronzer, people. Don't think you don't need it just because you're B-O-A-C-K. Just a thing. I had to spell that out because I tried not to use terms differentiating races in front of the Lola there because she is a parrot and repeats everything. So we don't want to do that over here, okay? How am I looking, baby daughter? Oop, this eye.
Fancy.
Whoa. Wait. Whoa. Is that what the kids say?
No.
Whoa.
Designers. Covering up my
Inner demons, covering up my sins. Because the only bags we don't have are designers. Lola, don't get in this picture. Covering up my inner directions. Petal, Primavera. Whatever that means. But
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word.
done. Now, oop, this
Can we
out.
do another video so I can do your lipstick?
Girl, she got things to do. Okay, now let me work on my other one.
Big man.
Come say goodbye, Lola. Now you know how long and how much work it goes into making a TikTok. I actually made two.
Say bye.
You not even in frame, girlfriend. There. Lift your head up. Get higher. Get taller. Get taller. Tippy toes. That's my baby. Cute. Take a picture. Cute. Cute. Change your pose. You know how to pose. Show them what you got, little mama. Stop throwing all of my stuff. All right, Lola, say bye-bye. Say like, comment, and subscribe. Put your face right here.
Never ending. You got the rockin' girl fancy.
The rocking girl fancy, okay?
That
Like-
means you.
They can't see you. Like, comment, and Ashy Poo. Stop. Say like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, Ashy Poo.
Ashy Poo Poo. Bye-bye. Okay, stop touching. Stop.
Somebody once told me, if you're ever going gambling, make sure that you semi-look like you want to win some money. Look like the amount of money you want to win. Right now, I look homeless. Let us change that, shall we? And we procrastinate, so we have no time. Let's get it. Make your brows look powerful, saying, I eat money for breakfast in my salad instead of lettuce. Dude, who eats lettuce for breakfast? We gonna use this for eyes because it reminds me of money. Brown on the outside because I'm the chef. Gold in the corner because we gonna win some. And obviously a touch of green. Faux money. Covering up my inner demons. Covering up my sins. Because the only bags we gonna have are designers. Act like we're not gonna spend all the money on food. We might. People in high society have high cheekbones. But I'm fluffy, so I created those. Eye feathers because we fancy. Or we like to torture ourselves. Shine bright like the diamonds you'll soon have. We might win 50 cents.
I'm feeling good.